Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Expression Home XP 4200 series. I want to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable to your computer. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. Use up arrow, go to Wi-Fi image, select on the Wi-Fi image, then it will show you Wi-Fi recommended is in blue color. We're going to disable the Wi-Fi network. So select on the Wi-Fi, select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi status and network name. Then you need to scroll and select the change settings. Select change settings, select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi setup wizard, push button setup, WPS. Scroll down to select others. Select OK to others. It will show you pin code setup, WPS, Wi-Fi auto connect, or disable Wi-Fi. So scroll down to select disable Wi-Fi, select OK. Disable Wi-Fi, then select OK, start setup, select OK. Setting up. Setup complete. Then select close. Then if you go to the panel, it will show you that Wi-Fi is in grayish color and Wi-Fi direct is in grayish color. What that means is the printer is not connected to Wi-Fi network or not connected to Wi-Fi direct either. So now we want to connect it with a USB cable. What you need to do is take the cable, go to the back of the printer, connect the cable to USB port, and it's in. Then take this part of the cable. So the USB cable is type A to B. So take this part of the cable, connect it to computer. The next thing to do is you need to go to Windows Start, select Settings, select Printers and Scanners. You can select Bluetooth and devices, then go to Printers and Scanners, select on it, and the printer is available. Epson XP 4200. If the printer is not available, you need to add a device, but the printer is already available, showing us here. You need to select on the printer, and the printer is showing us idle. So select Print Test Page. Windows Printer Test Page. You have correctly installed your Epson XP 4200 series on laptop. Port name USB 001 data raw and Windows x64. Another method to add this printer, you go to this website Epson XP 4200 https://epson.sn/4200. You can go to Google or whichever search platform you want to use. So type https://epson.sn/4200. Select on it. This is the printer. Welcome. Then you select Setup. We'll show you the printer image. Select Setup. Preparing the printer. You can watch the video, but I'm going to ignore the video. Select Install the software on your Windows computer and connect the printer. Select Download. Then open the file. Epson Web Installer. Select Yes. And also, the language is English, and also Windows is picked up from the computer. So it's updating. Then select OK. Licensing agreement. Scroll down and select Accept. Licensing agreement. Select Yes. Now I will show you provision of product usage. Select Next. Checking the printer. Then select Next. Loading the required software. Downloading printer driver. Installing printer driver. Select connection method, checking the environment. So checking the environment. So we're going to select USB cable connection. And the printer is connected via USB cable. We need to wait for the printer to show. So select USB cable connection method. Then select next. Select the software, and also it will show you the softwares that's available. Manual. I don't need the manual. Then select next. Checking the fireware. Updating fireware. I'm going to skip update fireware. Print test page. So it's printing a test page. This is to confirm that the printer is connected. USB cable connection, and it will show you, congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Epson Connect solution. Go mobile, print your photos and document using your smartphone, tablet, or mobile phone computer from your couch, your office, or across the world. Then select next. We show you checking the system. Select your region or country. I'm in United Kingdom. Then select OK to the country. Product registration. I'm going to skip product registration. Discover ready print. I'm going to select next. If you select start, then you sign up for it, but I'm going to select next. Setup complete. Your product is ready to use. Then select finish. It will show you setup complete. And from here, you can scan documents, you can print documents, whatever you want to do. So this is how to connect the printer with a USB cable, the full setup guide. Thank you very much indeed.